Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki here, and I'm excited to take you on the journey as I prep this week for the Christmas holidays. Today I'm going to take you on the journey as I prep the activities and the traditions that we do, so let's get started. So if you have been with me a while, you may know that one of the traditions in our family is that we write a letter to Jesus and we give him a birthday gift. I used to have these little gift boxes that we would put under the tree, but I'm switching it up this year. In the entryway, I have the table with the coffee cup so that they can get hot cocoa or tea or whatever their beverage choice is and kind of sneak away somewhere around the house to write their letter to Jesus. And what we do is we take time out during the holidays to write him a letter and give him a gift of releasing ourselves from something that displeases him. You may smoke, you may have a bad habit or something that you know doesn't make him happy, and you're saying that, okay, the gift that I'm giving you for your birthday, Jesus, this year is I'm going to stop doing that, or whatever gift you want to do. And you then sit down and you write a letter to him and take time out. This year, I got these little bags from Target. I'm going to put the paper in there, and I got this little pad here. I'm going to give everybody a couple sheets and roll it up, put it inside of the little baggie there, and that way they can write their letter to Jesus. I think that this is something that is going to be so cute on this little paper here. It's something that they can also take with them and put in their bedside table throughout the year to remind them of the gift that they gave to Jesus. This is something that we have done for years. I also got these Holy Night tags from, I want to say Marshall's, and this is what they can attach to their bag once they're finished writing their letter to Jesus, and then put like to Jesus and from whoever. And then what we're going to do is we're going to hang them all over the tree in the living room. So then Christmas morning, we can see all of the letters that we wrote to Jesus. And I just love this tradition. So one of the next things that I'm setting up is the bar card. And it's not going to be for bar essentials. It's going to be a game card. My family, we love games, especially during the holidays, Christmas Eve, that's what my family and friends do. And so all of my board games I have them in this style here. It's a linen book. You can often find these during the holidays at Marshall's and TJ Maxx. And you can also get them online. I'll try to link them below. But I love it because it stores efficiently. You don't have those large boxes. Everything's the same size. And because I have those essentials we love, Monopoly, Clue, those are the games we love. And so now they're visible to everyone, and I'm going to put them at the bottom of the cart so that everyone can easily get to them, and they can take them around different areas of the home. Someone may want to play upstairs, some may want to play at the kitchen table. And I just want everything visible and accessible for everyone. And I love my new bucket from the Grove. It's a red bucket, which is perfect for the holidays. And I keep our Jenga in here. And my Jenga is a little different. So what I do is I put stickers on the back with questions. You can put questions about Christmas. You can put questions about Bible, anything that you want to put on it. And as you play and pull, you answer the question. So it's a lot of fun. I also use this as an icebreaker too. So this is in the bucket so that we don't have to always put the stack back. You can just throw them in the bucket when you're done and you're good to go. Another thing I picked up were these little gift boxes. They're very small, but they're the perfect size for playing cards, and it's a beautiful way to store your playing cards so that they're really concealed, but they look gorgeous. Whether you want to sit them on the table, I'm going to actually sit them on the bar cart. But I said, I was in the store and I saw these. I said, these are the perfect card covers. So because the bar cart is in the open area, it looks so nice sitting on the table. Another new tradition that I'm doing is I purchased this journal book that we're going to use as our scorebook when we're playing cards. We love to play cards. And so instead of having papers that just get thrown away, we're going to have this one book. So over the years, we can see who won, who lost. We can see the different scores. I thought that would be a lot of fun. And then I'm leaving this space empty because this is the arrangement. It's usually on my kitchen table, and this bar card is right by my kitchen table. And oftentimes when we're playing cards, we're moving the centerpiece. And so now it has a place, and then I have the games for the winners because yes, we do have prizes for the winners. That's just how much we love our cards. And so we have a first, second, and third place. And of course, the winner has to be a little dramatic, which I'm often not the winner. And I have this little bell that I found in Target also, and it was so cute. And I said, well, I have to get this so that the winner can definitely shine. And then my brother and my nephew love to play chess, so I have their little chess board there so they can easily get to it. So everything is here for us to encourage us to play, which we don't need any encouragement, but everyone can easily see and grab all of the items. And I thought it was just a fun thing to add and to really just kind of invite the fun into the Christmas holidays. So around the house, that's what we like to do. We like to eat, we like to sleep, we like to relax, and we like to have fun. Okay, so the little bar cart, game cart that I just did was right by the kitchen table. And this is a hot spot during Christmas. This is where the card players are. We like to sit and talk. People are all around the house. But I want to show how I take this and a little bit of felt and I transform this into like a casino table so that when we're playing cards, it really feels fun and festive. So let me change this over. Okay, so now that the table is clear, I simply take my felt and put it over just like a tablecloth. But the only thing about that is I don't like it being like a tablecloth because that doesn't still feel like the casino feel to me. So it's a lot of fabric and I want to cut it off and then I want to tape it under the table so that it's really kind of just tight, and I just prefer it that way. But if you want to keep it a tablecloth, you easily can. And again, this is so inexpensive, and so I'm thinking I'm just going to tape it under because we use it all during the 24th, 25th, and 26th. The only thing is sometimes with the round tables, it can be a little difficult to get it really clean and around the table. And so as you tape it under, you see that you'll have those there. But I'm going to be trimming it, cutting it, slitting it, and making it tight. And I'll show you that later when I do my Christmas tour later this week. I will show you the finished look. I'm also going to put my Christmas mugs out here because we love to drink coffee. And we also like to drink wine, therefore the wine tasting. You all know, if you've been with me also, that I love to have wine tastings during the holidays. And so what we like to do is make it competitive, but I'm doing it in the living room this year. And I'm going to do it on the coffee table so that people can come and go as they do the tasting. It's not like a activity that's done at one time. You can come through out Christmas Eve and Christmas and do it. And so I'm going to use this to kind of hold the wines. I like to get a selection of different wines so that everyone can guess the type of wine, whether it's Pinot or whether it's Chardonnay. And so I'll label the wines with the numbers and I'll cover them up so that they can't see them. And I got these little bags from At Home. I actually need to go pick up a few more and a couple more bottles of wine, different wines. And so I only have like 3 right now, so I'm going to pick some more up this week. And so I'm going to just use this as the holder here. I usually use it in the summertime to put ice and keep the wine chilled, but I'm going to use that as a holder. I thought it would just look cute and just a great way to store them. I'm also going to have a carafe of water so that in between the tastings they can rinse out their cup. Of course, they're not going to spit in the bucket, but they're going to rinse out their cup. Of course, I have my wine glasses. I love my Napa glasses, and I love that they have that angle because it makes it easy to pour. So when they clear out their glass, they can easily pour it in the bucket. And so I just have it on a simple tray. Of course, I'm going to use my wine tasting cards, and these are actually my cards from my stationery line, French Tulip Stationery. I'll link it below. I have a home stationery line, and these are one of the items in it. Along with, I'm going to sit out some pencils on a little silver tray for them to kind of write of their choices there or what they think there. Put a little napkin or towelette there by the glasses for any spills, and of course some beverage napkins out, and they say Merry Christmas on them. And so it's just going to be the basics here for the wine tasting, because on Christmas Eve I'll have a whole buffet, and I'll do that in another video too, so look out for that later this week. A whole buffet on Christmas Eve of appetizers, and so they would get their appetizers there. So I'm not going to have them on the table here also. So this is going to be for the wine tasting. I hope that it's going to be a lot of fun, as it always is. And I want to just keep it simple this year and really have it in a more casual setting. Of course, also by having it by the photo albums here, because we love to look at photo albums and just sit and talk and laugh and reminisce. And so it's all here in the living room, so it'll be a lot of fun. So friends, I hope you've enjoyed seeing some of the traditions that my family have for the holidays. If you have any, please list them in the comments below. And I'm so excited to take you all on this journey this week as I am prepping for the holidays. I'm getting all kinds of things ready, and I'm throwing on that camera as I do it. And so that's why you see my content a little later, because I actually am sharing with you as I'm going through the process. And so I hope you enjoy being on this journey with me. Have a beautiful day, my friends. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.